Okay, let's get right into it. Forget about luck, forget about crypto, forget about some vague business idea. Right now, we are going to break down the 10 specific AI skills that are actually going to define the next wave of wealth creation. This is your roadmap. Now take a look at this. This isn't just some wild guess. It's a reflection of a massive, fundamental shift that's happening as we speak, and it's powered entirely by artificial intelligence. Seriously, the opportunity in front of us is bigger than anything we've seen in decades. Because here's the reality. The world is splitting in two, right down the middle. On one side, you have the people who are using AI to multiply their income and build incredible things. And on the other side, well, you have the people who are getting replaced by the ones who do. There's no middle ground here. The stakes just couldn't be higher.
So let's start with the skills that solve the most urgent, expensive problems for businesses. These are the skills that companies are desperately looking for right now.
First up, AI automation. Just think about all the hours businesses waste on mind-numbing tasks, manual data entry, sending the same follow-up emails, creating reports. This skill is all about building systems that make that stuff just disappear. You're connecting different AI tools to create these seamless, automated workflows that run on their own.
And look at the impact. We're not talking about a small 10% boost in efficiency here. We are talking about literally eliminating up to 90% of a person's workload. For a business, the value of that it's just immense.
And here's how you actually turn that into an income stream. You can go straight to businesses and build custom solutions for them. You can charge recurring fees with monthly maintenance packages, or you can even package up your expertise and sell pre-built automation templates online. 3 solid paths right there.
Next, let's talk about prompt engineering, but the advanced kind. Forget just telling an AI, write me an email. The real high-value skill is teaching an AI how to think. It's about creating these complex instruction sets, like building a perfectly consistent brand voice or a multi-step reasoning system that can solve complex problems all by itself. You're turning AI into a truly powerful partner.
Oh man, AI video is a creative explosion. It is completely changing the game. You can now create stunning cinematic ads and visual effects right from your laptop. This just opens up a whole new world for visual storytelling that was impossible for most people before.
You know what every company wants? Instant, 24/7 customer engagement. And AI chatbots are the answer. Businesses are paying top dollar for people who can build custom bots that handle support and generate leads. Because, let's be real, it saves them an absolute fortune in salaries and actually makes customers happier.
All right, now for the next level. These skills are less about the raw technical setup and more about blending your own unique human insight with the incredible power of AI.
We're drowning in data, but making sense of it? That's the real challenge. AI data analysis is honestly one of the highest paid skills out there because it lets you take a mountain of raw numbers and turn them into clear, actionable strategies. You're the one who tells a company where to invest its next $1 million. That's power. Look, anyone can push a button and get that generic, robotic AI content you see on the left. But that's not where the value is. The real skill, the one people pay for, is using AI as a tool to write copy that's emotional, persuasive, and perfectly in sync with a brand's voice. That requires a human touch, and that's what you see on the right.
Think you need a computer science degree to build software? Think again. By combining AI's crazy ability to write code with these super user-friendly no-code platforms, you can now build and launch entire apps and digital products at lightning speed. We're talking faster than ever before.
Okay, I need you to pay close attention here. We've covered some really powerful skills, but these next 3, this is where the true untapped potential lies. These are the skills that, I'm telling you, most people are completely overlooking.
This is the final category, the strategist skills. This isn't just about using a tool anymore. This is about being the architect, the person who designs the entire system for success. This is that 1% advantage.
First, AI personal branding. Every CEO, every creator, every expert needs a powerful online presence. This is kind of a hidden skill right now, but it's about using AI to systematically optimize everything for a person. Their content strategy, their video hooks, their voice, their visual style, to turn them into a massively influential brand. The demand for this is about to just explode.
You know, this might be the most underrated skill on this entire list. It's one thing to know how to use an AI tool, but it's a completely different thing to know how to design a system that actually makes money with AI. This is about being the architect of automated sales funnels and client acquisition machines that run 24/7.
And finally, as AI gets more and more powerful, the need for safety and responsibility becomes absolutely critical. Companies are desperate for experts who can handle data privacy, reduce bias in algorithms, and make sure AI is used ethically and securely. You become the guardian of responsible AI. This is a rare and incredibly valuable specialty.
So, you've seen the 10 skills. The information is right here, in front of you. But here's the thing, information by itself doesn't change anything. The choice of what you do next, that is 100% yours.
And that's the real question, isn't it? It's so easy to watch this, get a little bit inspired, and then just go back to scrolling. But what will you actually do with this? Are you going to pick one of these skills and decide, okay, I'm going to master that?
Because here is the bottom line. In this world that is changing so fast, industries and jobs are going to shift. That's a given. But the person who takes the initiative to learn and apply these AI skills, they won't just survive. They will become truly unstoppable.
And if you take away just one single thing from this entire explainer, please let it be this. The threat isn't the technology. It never is. The real threat is being outpaced by someone else who decides to master it. The future belongs to them. You just have to choose your side.